Okay, yeah. So now we'll be doing skills. So skills is nothing but multiplication table. I'll be telling a number and I'll start the stopwatch. Right. So the first number is 52. Start.
104, 156, 208, 260, 312, 364, 416, 468, and 520.
Right. So 19 seconds. So it's 19 seconds. The second number, I'm starting in 3, 2, 1. 23 is the number. Start.
23, 46, 69, 92, 115, 138, 161, 184, 207, and 230.
Right. So 14 seconds. 13.38 seconds. For 23 multiplication table 10 times. We have the last number which is 3, 2, 1. Start. 93.
93, 186, 279, 372, 465, 558, 651, 744, 837, and then 930.
Right. So almost 20 seconds. 1992 for 93 skill.